Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you a new stuff. I got comments that SSH there are a problem with installing SSH on Windows 10. So is there other option? There are other options. You can install something. You can do it in Windows 10. So here I have here my Windows machine. So you go to the Microsoft Store, and here you can search with Linux. Like you can just search with Linux. So I'm gonna install this one, Ubuntu here. So I'm gonna select this one and install. So already I have installed it already, and here after installing this one, it will ask you for the Unix username. So before you say like I know that it's gonna be problem like when you starting, because you need here you need the Windows feature. So before you install it or launch the Ubuntu, you need here to turn on this one, which is Windows subsystem for Linux. This one you need to turn on. So now I'm going to make, as this machine is a client, so I'm gonna rename your rename your machine as a name, this one also your username. So I'm gonna call it as a client, and it's gonna ask me for the password. Here I'm gonna type my password, type it again, and that's it. So here you have this client machine, and you have already SSH. So like SSH is here, so it's already installed, so you can SSH to any machine, even if your SSH copy ID is not working from Windows. And we solve it in the other video. But here, as for example, like I'm gonna check here. I'm gonna sudo, go to the super user here, and I'm gonna check my SSH server, it's working or not. So it's not running, so I'm going to start it. SSH server start. So I'm going to start the server here. And it here says like it cannot load. It doesn't matter, this one it will not, even if you got this problem, you might need to remove it and install it again. It will not affect anything. So here after this one, you're going to this is like if config here, this is my IP address. So I'm going to connect from here. This is LSB release. So this is Ubuntu here already. So I'm going to connect to the Windows machine. So here this is client. I'm going to SSH to it. So it's gonna have a problem here. I cannot connect because it's here in Windows here. So I'm going here. You can find it is already running. So running on port 22. So you need to go to the Windows firewall here, because it's you need to do like sort of sorry, let's make it like this one. As it's already my firewall is blocking, so I'm going to need to add a new rule for it. So add a new rule, and you select the port, which is port 22 here, set it by default. This is all, allow connection, and allow, and call it as a SSH service. So finish. Going to here. So here is like you closed. So I'm going to try again, and its connection is closed because it's like it's port 22. So it need again here. Or like see the start. Oh, sorry. and also I'm going to the etc ssh and ssh config. So let's check everything is working just fine, because it's like here is port 22 and everything. So I'm going to connect back with my Ubuntu here. So it says that connection closed by port 22. Allow this port, actually it's like, one second, I will disable this one, and here it's again will enable the rule again here. So here says that, okay, nice. Okay, let's remove it. Like this is the way you debug the stuff, like apt remove minus purge, and I'm going to open. So it's, if it has a problem, like just remove it and install it again. So it's one of the problem if you face it, because if we already give it here, this is SSH server service is already allow it, so it's gonna take like a minute or something. Just remove it and install it again, because this is actually I'm doing this video by this way. If you face this kind of problems, like how are you gonna fix it? So apt install again, open SSH server. So okay, so now we will see this is SSH status here. I'm gonna find it is not running, so start. So you start it, and let's check from here. So I'm going, yeah, this one is really nice. Okay, so I'm gonna delete this one, the old one, and now I can connect to my Windows here. It's gonna take some time, it's like 10 seconds or something. So now I'm connecting to my client. This is my Windows client. So now this is not actually the Windows client. This is like it's Ubuntu. So now I need to go to Windows. So now we're going to CD and Mint and C and users and the client. Here, like you choose client and you choose the destination what you want. So like now I just here, like you're gonna find everything here. Like for example, I'm going to the desktop, for example this one, and I need to create a file, Python file. So if it even I have a Python here, I don't have a Python, apt install Python, it will not work because I'm not sudo. Make it with a super user much better. Okay, so I'm going back to the here, see users, client, and I'm going to the desktop, for example, and here like apt install Python. Even if you want to run Python, like if you want to run if you want to edit any files with nano, I know many Linux users want to have a nano in Windows. Like it's I don't have nano. I don't have all the features what I have it in Linux. I need to have it in Windows. So this one will give you an ability to use all the stuff, most of the stuff actually, not all the stuff, most of the stuff what you're using in Linux inside Windows. So it's really interesting that it's you doing this kind of stuff. And also I'm not cutting the video anything from the video, because this is how the way you debug the stuff, like how do you troubleshooting, how you, if you have a problem with an installation, this is how how it should done. So now this is Python. Now you have a Python already here, so it's not like, for example, I will try hello world with Python or something, hello.py, and you will, so you see here the file is already here, been it created already. So let's go back again here, so I can import to OS print hello world. I'm just using Python 1, and let's make it with this one, it's better. And for example, if I'm gonna run it as a Python hello world, and that's it, really easy. If you want to go to the, you are in the client now. If you have a users here, this is a C, you can go to the program here, you can have a program files, so you have everything. You can do it like you can navigate to anywhere you want, and you can edit, like even if each tab is working. Actually, this is the Windows here, this is the real stuff here. Let's check it here from the task manager here, how many gigs it has. So it's free already. So you can SSH from Windows to Linux backward, like it's same here, like I am already in my so let's get out of here, and like here, for example, I SSH copy ID, and I will copy my ID to the user. Sorry, let's check, because I don't remember it by heart. So yeah, so I'm going to copy my, so yeah, I don't have yeah, so oh, very nice. Let's check it here from the so client. Yeah, let's go to the client here and check this. SSH copy ID. So let's see, yes, it has it here. So I'm gonna copy it to the, actually I don't remember the commands by heart, so I don't SSH generate key something key generate, yeah, I forgot, minus T or SC, yeah, this one, yeah. So I will generate my keys here. This is SSH. I have my public key. Sorry, I didn't like, I don't remember, I just like recall everything. So now I'm going SSH here copy ID, and I will go to the user, copy it to the my other machine. So this is one, yeah, so let's put it there, done. SSH, let's do it again, done. That's it, without asking the password. So you can do it, like even if I can do here like the config file, and add like the host which is here like call it as an Nagios or just a Nagios server, for example. And here this is my host's name, as I remember. Wait, maybe it's here somewhere, because actually I don't. So here this is SSH, type config. So yeah, host name. So you see how you remember the stuff, like it's this is old SSH. Actually this is the SSH, Windows SSH, not the Ubuntu one. So this is a host name, which is here, and also this is a port, which is by default is 22, user, which is user. So save it, SSH Nagios server, and press tab. That's it, you're in the other machine. So it's really simple. Even if we go back to the other machine here, go to the sudo, I'll go to the sudo here, and this is actually, I don't have this SSH key generate -trsa, and let's create this one. So okay, so both are actually work. So like if you want to go to your SSH config here, like you're gonna find it here, SSH config, and it's really simple. Like it's it will give you you can use Nano, you can use Vim here, like if people like you like Vim. So it's this actually I hope this video will help you, and in next video also I got a comment that how I created for this is my Nagios here, this is my Nagios server, and how I created to make it secure. Like this is a certificate, and the certificate the connection is secure between you connect, like you create a valid certificate for your Nagios server. So I'm gonna show you to you in the next video. I hope this video will help you more, and if you have any comment about the video, if there are, just write me on the comment. I don't understand what the dislike mean. I just like it's a dislike. It's not about I don't like it or not, but I don't know what's the problem with my videos. Maybe something wrong, maybe again something with a mic, something is wrong. So I hope this tip will help you more with your work, and thank you for watching.